viewers, welcome to Jainam Software. This software will manage agent commission for your business. So let's get started and understand how it can be done in Jainam Software. So first of all, you need to create list of all your agents. You can create it from HR management employee list. Here you can define your agents and you can also define the agent commission here. So I have already created few agents and defined the commission. For example, for a staff 1 I have 20% commission, and for staff 4 60% commission. Now this 20% commission of your income, and income is nothing but the interest you are earning from the customer. All right, now the second step is you need to assign the groups to your staff. Now in master setup and customer group list, what you can do is you can assign group. For example, I have assigned south region to staff 1 having 20% commission, and north region to staff 4 having 60% commission. Third step is basically create customer and assign customer to those specific groups. So I have already created group, like one customer is this customer is already assigned to south region. You can edit the group and assign to different regions here. All right, and the second customer I have this customer which is assigned to north region. So I have two customer, GLL and Jiten 4. Okay, now I'm going to give the loan to this customer. So for Jiten 4 I'm giving loan of, let's say, 10,000, this for 10 days. Okay, let's not focus on how loan creation is done and all that stuff, because in this video the focus is only on commission system. Loan 1 is created for Jiten 4, and for JLL, who is part of south region, I'm creating a loan of this with 3% and for 10 days. Okay, now I save this loan 1 and loan 2. So loan 1 I search here and receive this amount received. Please note, in installment tracker you can see interest for every installment is 10. Now for loan 2 I can receive this, and for installment tracker here interest is 20. Now how you can calculate agent commission? You can go on collection by agent and search for this. So you'll get north region, that is staff 4 assigned to north region having 60% commission. So it's coming 6 because first installment it's 10. So out of 10, 6 will go to agent and 4 will be your income. South region is this way. All right, so this is how it is done in system. Now monthly loan repayment and principal adjustment, how it is done. So I'm creating another loan. Okay, now here the loan amount is 10,000, 3% monthly rate of interest. Here I select first interest then principal. Now for 12, here I select month. Okay, and I click save. Now here what will happen, I search loan number 3. Now you can see the installment is created monthly, right? And if I receive 300, then automatically 300 is received here. Now customer is willing to pay principal part. So principal is 10,000. So customer is willing to pay 4,000. Don't receive this time. Adjust principal. Are you sure to adjust principal? Yes. Now what will happen in this case, I search loan number 3. Now you can see in installment tracker the remaining, basically that is showing 180, because I have received first interest 300, then I received principal 4,000, 6,000 principal is remaining. All right, now if you can also go ahead and just see collection report and collection by agent. Now if we just check, you will get 64 here, right? Now agent commission we have seen, agent wise collection we have seen.